Redmi Note 7 comes with 6.3-inch Full HD and display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9 and screen resolution of 1080p. On the hardware front, the Redmi Note 7 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 660 AIE chipset paired with up to 6GB RAM and 64GB of storage. The phone comes backed 4000 mAh battery. On the camera front, the Redmi Note 7 comes with two cameras on the rear panel with primary sensor of 48MP with f/1.8 aperture while the secondary sensor is of 5MP for depth shots. Another good news for the Mi fans is that with the Redmi Note 7 Xiaomi finally brings USB Type-C support. And thankfully, the phone also includes a headphone jack. As far as the design of Redmi Note 7 is concerned, it is quite different compared to the other Redmi Note phones. Overall, the phone looks pretty similar to the Mi Play which has been launched in China in December. The Redmi Note 7 comes with gradient finish on the back. Notably, the Redmi Note 7 is the first Note device from Xiaomi to come with water drop notch display which is circular in fashion. The Redmi Note 7 is the first phone launched under the Redmi brand. Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun has announced that from now on Redmi will function as a separate brand from Mi. Jun also announced that all the phones launching under the Redmi brand will be affordably priced and focus on online sales. On the other hand, the Mi, or Xiaomi brand will focus on launching mid and high-end or flagship phones.